Hello and welcome to this class on HTML fundamentals. My name is Matt Milner and I'm going to be guiding you through this course. In this first module, we're going to talk about HTML and how it fits into the World Wide Web. We'll talk a little bit about the HTML history and then focus on what an HTML document is and some of the root elements and things that we need to be concerned about. And finally, we'll talk a little bit about HTML and browsers and how these two interact. As we look at a little bit of history for HTML, we know, of course, that the internet was created by Al Gore. Now, I'm joking, of course. Al Gore was a big supporter of the internet and gave a lot of support to different elements that helped it along. It's an off misquoted statement, a little bit of humor to get us started here. But the reality is we have the internet, however we got there, that allows different computers to be connected. And this includes all sorts of things like TCP/IP, DNS, and name resolution, and IP addresses, all that good low-level stuff that allows the computers to be connected. And it was all generated back for defense so they could connect their computers and share information. Now, on top of that, we had the World Wide Web, which was essentially created by this man, Tim Berners-Lee. And the web, the World Wide Web, is actually made up of a few different things. One, of course, is our focus here, is HTML. And HTML is the language that we use to create documents that we want to share across the World Wide Web, or more appropriately, across the internet. We want to share these documents using this underlying network topology. Another piece of that is the notion of a universal resource identifier or a universal resource locator, the URI or URL. You can see here down by our document we have an address for a particular HTML document. That's a big piece of the web, is being able to go out and use an address to get a particular document that we're interested in. And finally, if we watch our HTML document, we have the HTTP protocol, Hypertext Transfer Protocol, which is all about taking those documents and exchanging them. It layers on top of the internet protocols and provides us a language for exchanging these documents. So HTML, Hypertext Markup Language, HTTP, the Hypertext Transfer Protocol. Now, Pluralsight has excellent courses already on TCP/IP. We've got courses on HTTP, so if you want to find out more about those lower level protocols, you can do that. In this course, we're going to focus on HTML, or the language that we use to create these documents we share over the internet.